In this example, a group of students run a temporary pop-up shop selling t-shirts, and the total profit P of X is in hundreds of dollars after selling X hundred t-shirts. Now, this can be modeled by this polynomial of P of X. Now, the question is asking us is to determine the other breaking point that occurs when P of X is equal to 0. And if we know that one of the breaking points, again, break-even points, is at X equals 1, what are the other two places where this pop-up is going to break even? So using the fact that we have this one, we're going to set up a synthetic division problem. 1. Let me write that over here. So 1. We have 1, negative 15, 62, and negative 48. And we're going to bring down the 1. So now 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Negative 14. Negative 14 here. This is going to be 8, 5, 48. And then 1 times 48 is 48, which then gives us a total of 0. So now we're going to figure out the other two by, hopefully, again, this is factorable. Let's see, we have x squared minus 14x plus 48. We can break this apart into two linear factors and figure out what's going to make this equal to 0. So let's break up the x into two even pieces, x and x. The factors of 48 here, let's see, we have the option of 1 and 48, 2 with the 12, 2 and 24, what am I thinking? 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12. Oh, I forgot the signs. This is going to be negative, negative, and it's going to be negative as well. So those don't work. Let's see, continue. 6 and 8, that's going to be the one that works. 6 and 8. They multiply to give us a total of positive 48, and they add up to give us the value of negative 14. So that means that x would have to equal to positive 8, and x would have to be positive 6 in order to make those two polynomials, those two factors equal to 0. So then that means that the other two solutions is that x would have to equal to 8, and x would have to equal to 6. So they would have to sell 800 shirts and 600 shirts just to break even as well. So they sell anything in between. They might make money or lose money, but just to break even, that would be another option. Again, a number of shirts, just to make up the money that they lost.